Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. First, open the Start menu and type Windows Security. Click on the app from the search results. In the Windows Security window, select Virus and Threat Protection. Then, click on Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. You will see several options with switches next to them. Turn off Real-Time Protection. A message may appear asking for confirmation. Click Yes. This will temporarily disable Windows Defender. It will turn back on automatically after a restart or some time. If you want to fully disable it, you need to use the local group policy editor. Press the Windows key and R at the same time. Type gpedit.mesc and press Enter. In the window that opens, go to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, and select Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Double-click on the setting called Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Choose Enabled, then click Apply and OK. Now, restart your computer. Windows Defender will stay off until you change the setting back to Not Configured or Disabled. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.